Today we are gonna fix Roblox error code 429 problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing Roblox's cache files. To do this, we need to open our browser. After opening our browser, we click on the three dots at the top right and then open settings. Once we have opened settings, we click on privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then see all site data and permissions. We click on the search bar and search for Roblox. After searching for it, we click on the trash icon and then click on delete. We have cleared Roblox's cache files from our browser. Now, we will do this for our PC. To do this, we press Windows and R keys at the same time to open Run. After opening Run, we type %temp% and then click on OK. In the opened folder, we find Roblox and right click on it. After doing that, we click on the trash icon to delete the cache files. We have cleared Roblox's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is reset network. If our network causing issues, resetting it will solve the problem. To reset our network, we need to open CMD. To do this, we come to the search section and run CMD as admin. After opening CMD, we need to write some code. The code will be in the description section below. You can copy and paste them into CMD from there. This process will not cause any harm to our PC. After typing codes, press enter. To complete the reset, we need to restart our computer. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is deleting and reinstalling Roblox. To do this, we come to the search section and search for control panel. After opening control panel, we click on uninstall a program. We find Roblox among our programs. After finding it, right click on it and click on uninstall. We have uninstalled Roblox. To delete the leftover files, we need to open Run. To do this, press Windows and R keys at the same time. In the Run menu, type %localupdate% and hit enter. In the open folder, find Roblox and delete it. To install Roblox again, open Roblox's site and click on any game. After doing this, click download and install Roblox. After downloading Roblox Player Installer, you can install Roblox and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.